Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. Marcel and I are here this morning at Mas Nevi. We just entering his yard. Just come to do some drop off and to check up on him and see how he has been doing. Mas Nevi?
Morning.
Morning, how are you? She say, yeah, relax, man. We wait. Wait, sir. Wait.
Much. Still go on, you know?
Still go on?
Yes, sir.
Wait, sir, you don't feel good at that, you say?
Yes, somebody, you know, something.
You have a low feeling today?
Yes,
Oh.
Take the pressure when you take 2 pills.
You take the pressure pill?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, so you eat breakfast?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So what go on with you now?
Not too much now, go on. See, I will cry.
What kind of cry you have?
See everything. Yeah. You know, say, you're going to touch him now.
That's
what. When did you tell me say you fit him again?
August. August not come yet. That was 1 year when we trimmed.
Yeah.
When he got the trim.
Yeah.
And he said he would need a trim until August again.
I just said,
I mean, so like 1 year.
August soon come.
Yes.
And you know, say tomorrow my birthday.
Oh, yes,
Yes, one.
Wow.
Yes, one.
So what we have to go do for you now?
No, at all.
You have to go carry out.
Miss. Up to that week, I hear say, a man and a taxi man and his girlfriend go and see.
We not care going in the water.
I see.
Go to the beach.
Yes, I Johnny the taxi man.
So you know what go on beach?
No.
And look what you go eat one broad fish, not you?
Yes, I watch me like watch it.
Look what you.
That's it.
St. Elizabeth.
Oh, St. Elizabeth, me no watch it. I think I watch her, I see that talk.
Oh. Oh, so how old are you going to be tomorrow? Is tomorrow inside?
Yes, well, 1951 me born.
Oh.
So
this much. You are 74?
15 and me.
Something like that, yeah. Wow.
15 and me.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Mas Nevi?
Yes, ma'am.
We bring your eye drops.
Oh gosh, me will want if I start dark in. Yes.
Dark?
Yes, man. Tell me how it help
As
me.
you get this,
Yes, man, it help me, no. Yeah, put you for me if you got it.
Oh.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, thank you, man.
So how you on the rain and so?
Man, it rain drop, you know. Chop, man.
drop down.
Well, up to yesterday, Paul, you know.
Yes, we know. Fall hard too.
Lord gosh. I want to come. Oh, it's so bad.
Yeah.
But yes.
And I got funeral out of here. Oh, this so.
Oh, yes.
All right, out there, so the lady I go bury.
Okay, yeah, man.
Out there, father, mother, and father.
You're going?
Huh?
You're going to go?
And you know, say, last time I come from try, and come walk from try, me go a doctor and she come up and talk, come right up.
Yeah.
And then you used to run on my way and look, you used to look one man named, you know, Mr. Dancer.
Dan?
With the yard go round.
What's Dan? Yeah.
Yes, and him used to look about him. So he used to be growing down here too.
Okay.
But more really, yeah, she did move on, yes. Come up.
She gonna lift me.
And the brother tell me, say, you are sick no long, but you say, until you have sugar, you know. And then, since then, you know, you're not sick long, you know. You could have any time.
Wow, such is life, Mas Nevi.
Yeah. It's up life, we are in debt.
Yeah.
So
you run out of rice?
yes,
Eh?
We did check the shop and the lady saying I have no bill down there.
I saw it when?
What 2 days ago?
No, in Sunday.
This Sunday?
Or Saturday.
Me go.
You go down there?
Yeah, me go on. Go take.
I wonder if it's after we went.
Most after.
Okay.
I mean, never go wrong for me. I don't go one. Tell it people me did take and me go up when they go take. We did done and me go take it and go with some.
Oh, so you run out of stuff, Mas Nevi?
Yeah.
Like you run out quick, so.
I give you food, you know.
Give you no.
You're kind, you know, me know.
No,
You
me
eat
no.
it.
No, me no give you none for you see, me the flour then me never so like it pack flour and go it.
You don't like your pack
Me like
flour?
pound flour.
You prefer the pound one?
Yeah.
You like your retail stuff?
Yes.
Well, I did.
So the one now me never me use no time more so.
Oh.
It up there so.
So you fry fritters today?
Right, me I say when me can't fry fritters at all. I fry dumpling. You
They
know?
burn up on you?
Yes, yeah.
Oh.
You have to turn on your stove.
Let me turn it on so it's too real.
Okay.
You don't want somebody to fry some for you?
Yes. One item somebody to fry.
You have fried fritters for you now?
Yeah.
Alright.
I see the children come put up the curtain.
Oh. Okay.
I go fry fritters for you, man.
See the
But
food
you
they pack up.
don't want baking powder?
No, that not going to fritters. You don't know how to cook. Fried up, they put baking powder.
So, Mas Nevi, we bring your rice and your coffee finish.
One
Yeah,
cup,
Likkle.
one shot. Wait,
Oh, we bring you one too.
Likkle left, mom.
Oh.
You know me like when you went for me? The thing there. The Ovaltine.
Oh.
I read in Milo.
Nice one.
I don't remember which one.
I told him you carry coffee.
Nice one, this, sir?
Yes, sir. You carry Milo and
No, you
Ovaltine.
water.
Water, yes, sir.
Yes, I go make some fritters, Marcel.
Yes, man. You know, a long time, man, say I eat it, man.
I really like it, man. When I tell me, when I tell me go, but me chew him now, me not him. When I tell him, I'll fry for me, but.
Oh, somebody that go fry some for you?
No, when I tell my girl, let it fry some for me.
Oh.
Where frying pot there?
Yeah, so he alright.
Get a pot, make Marcel wash it.
And a sponge wash plate.
No, sir.
Like you know sponge.
But it did,
It's off his store pot.
it did done.
Sponge done.
Wash off the whole of sponge.
Yeah.
Ah, Mas Nevi, I wash socks.
Here, sir.
Put it up there, so Mas Nevi, soon can get it. A lunch Marcel I prepare for you, you know, Mas Nevi.
Yeah, you know, yeah, see, man, for last night, a lady did carry some peas, come give me.
What kind of peas?
Green peas.
Green peas.
Yeah.
Where you go?
My grandson.
Oh.
I mean, you left some in woman, if you don't want it.
What peas?
Who want it?
See, I want to pull up, you know.
Oh, the green peas.
Yes, sir.
Oh, in the trash?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
You have to you don't know if you want it.
Yeah.
You have to know now.
Papa.
You have to know now if you want it, yeah?
Yeah, me cook some. I live some, pa.
Oh.
Yes, you have to know if you want it. Yes.
So you shell it, Mas Nevi?
Yes, man, I must.
Oh.
At 2 times, you can't give me to, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Me actually go to church, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. 2 times. And catch some yesterday. I cook it last night with some with the thing there. With the fish. The tin fish. Yeah.
Can't fall back on you, man. Well, like I say, I supervisor. So.
I saw. Like you do the fritters, them are oversee the whole process. You must, Nevi.
Yes, so much.
Eh?
No, sir.
I say supervisor stand up in the must Nevi like you.
I never know.
Hey, Papa Nevi.
See him the Marcel, hand behind him lean up. You better do that work.
Make sure you know how to go. Let's go, Nevi.
Yes, sir.
A patty, oh God, it's black, you know, man.
And that patty this score?
No, sir, he can't score. He can't score if you could have get a new pot.
Oh, a new pot.
What a dirt pot, man, but the dirt pot them so.
Because must never use this for the
The wood fire.
Mm-hmm.
Come, go there. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me knife. You take off some.
Cock up, you can't take off nothing with that.
Come on, take off.
It's a cock up.
Cock up.
Scrape off.
Say that I didn't go to school.
Yes.
So you go to school and come back.
Yeah, man. We go already. Early this morning.
My sister, my child tell me say soon in night town.
Huh?
He tell me say soon in night town.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
How do I watch it?
We all around, man. Then we see we.
Yeah.
Nice spot, you know, Master Nevi?
England, you could come from, you know. Oh, but Mr. Earl, me get a pot. England Dutchy then.
England Dutchy.
Yes, man. Them pot. In case you come from England, man.
Mm-hmm.
Good seeing them.
Oh, will it pass scraping them also?
Man, you black you up, you know. You have to mind you black up yourself.
Man, black, my boss.
Not trouble you, man. You are a real Jamaican, man. A real Jamaican, son.
Born black myself.
Watch that light now, Master Nevi.
Yes, sir.
You heavy like oil. Next time I come here, I can grind down sun off it.
Yes, sir.
Burn off some of them.
No, but I tell you now, I remember, man. If I tell me, say, even if I can't start to block on me, I know you're not here.
Shovel?
You tell me, say, yes, man.
Never remember if it's true myself.
After I put that stuff like that, you don't get it.
You don't do it still.
Yeah, I get it still. Alright, you're not going to take off the wall of this?
No, man, you mad.
No?
Could I take off the wall of that?
I'm mad. Yeah, take your hand back. What you want?
I think I know if you did not give me.
You want to come in and jump?
No, sir. I think I don't know if you did not give me.
Say you want the knife, don't you?
Aye, sir.
That's very wanting there.
That's heavy.
Yeah.
Take up your stone for me. Look like I said, so you drop one in a drum, you know?
Yeah, this I do, man.
I want some big stone. Make it cool down into water in the field.
Eh?
You put in the field down in water.
No, I think it take off easy, yes. But you mean I drink that water, you know?
Which one you drink?
You get rain water, sir.
Huh?
Me catch rainwater. Her lady give me the bucket. I funny give me the bucket. I hit me at catch rainwater in.
Which lady gave bucket?
Your wife.
Oh, me I call the lady was Nevi.
Yes.
Me wonder which lady.
We're not there.
You sure me I talk about?
Yes,
or you
ma'am.
just a try make a U-turn?
Then you give me a bucket. I mean, I say, maybe you want to bucket from. I say, me can't set it at the door, but when I fall and catch real water.
Oh, that you know?
Yeah.
Nice. All right, we are going to cook now.
Yes, sir.
Cook some fritters.
Right. What did I want saltfish in there?
Oh,
Where do you
Jesus.
have to go? Work without the fish today.
Yeah.
Nevi. Where you say, Papa? Nevi.
Oi. Me there, man. Me there boat. Yes, yes. Aye. So since come and me, I said, then you know, feel me cut off my hand.
What?
The things in there because I can get one cutter.
Oh, you want one can open now?
Yes, man. Me say, Lord gosh, so you man know say me sick me hand again.
Oh, they hard for cut.
Lord gosh, you know, so if plenty of times someone me have to be cut them.
You have water in the feed? If you mix the flour?
Yeah, man. Me I say, if you could have get on things in, if you cut him, man. For me, afraid of that, for me hand, you know, sir.
All right, we're not going to give no more of them there.
Then, what you going to do?
Just if we don't have him, we don't know. We have to just wait. Get the other one.
Oh, really.
One you can just pull up.
Pull up, yes, yes. I see the water there in my bucket, yes.
I cut that to you.
Yes, sir.
So we can put by this pan the drum.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes,
Lord.
man. That good for
Yeah, come back out, master.
me afraid of me hand, master.
You're afraid of your hand?
Aye,
You're
sir.
afraid of your hand and you have it on your body.
See, the was sitting when jam the king put and see them have cut off the hole and put my gone.
You put that on?
Where you go, Mas Nevi?
What I do?
Put the bucket on it.
Oh, give me.
Cut off my foot, brother. Change on a tool, I go to give me one daughter.
You want it on?
Yes, sir. For himself in London.
All right.
Yeah, boy, you know.
Much fritters you want?
Can't make up as much to serve me till all later.
That sound like about 1 dozen.
Yeah, man. But I can't put on, you know.
Nice when it's cold too.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
Sit down that buckle, so, sir.
You have onion and garlic?
My onion, garlic, and the onion, what one piece of onion in a sin. But the garlic don't hit me. Didn't like when you carry me too. Garlic serve me lamb.
None at all, not did it?
No, sir.
Oh, yeah, I see.
But one piece of onion in that.
No, it's another pan there.
In that same one where you are,
The pink one there.
where you put on the table there. I've been looking if there's no garlic in there.
One piece of garlic.
Garlic's good, man.
Friend me a friend this is my boss.
Yeah.
So you put on the pot already?
Yeah,
My
but the
face.
stove no light.
Tell you like this so make it go hot.
You know what, it's too hot because we not burn up nothing, you see me?
And one piece of thing where you pan you can put pan it, you know.
Yeah?
Tin the pan it, you know.
What?
One piece of pot cover me put pan it. That's
On the
it.
stove?
Yes, sir. That's it, you know. You will see it when you go in there.
So where you put it on it for wet though?
He hold on somebody
Or you put it
But the flame, that's not burn stuff.
yeah.
Oh.
And maybe through your pot tin.
Yes, sir. Yes, man, you burn it if you don't put that on it.
So you don't get no mango for eat yet, Mas Nevi?
Me not so like them mango, missus.
You don't like them one here?
No, sir.
Which one you like?
For me mango and number East Indian, East Indian, Bambi and all them mango.
Oh, okay.
Me no for one swinging. If a black man, we not too bad.
Oh.
I will tell you the truth. Mango is a thing. You see, now the matter, you know, too much mango, it put on heat. When me there turn and I don't cut you the matter about I don't cut, you know. Me used to go to cut 2 times they go look mango and sell, you know. Can come I got a willow dean every day.
So what kind of mango you used to look to sell?
Me used to look Bambi, black mango, East Indian. When me look at stringing all the people, them take it and make juice.
Oh, okay.
I just see a lot of I know good mango there. When you go a lot of man, me have a sister will live at Portmore. When you go there, so I see Bambi. Oh God.
Bambi mango.
Yes, man.
Bambi.
We go at the house at the whoop up at that many day, no. Bambi also.
Oh.
Myself, one side I stove a rock.
Yes, sir, up at top side.
What cause that?
Me no know, me no use on that side.
That's why I not work.
Yeah. Me no use that side on there so.
You have to use the 2 sides.
I tell you I use that side, then I have to light it.
Oh, okay. Like,
Yeah.
so you don't come on like the other one.
You continue to use the one side, you burn out the burner.
Oh.
Just use 2 sides, so balance.
Yes, sir. You have to go light it in the other one, then you have to turn on. Until you turn on your light, you light.
That's the top one.
Yes, I want it there. Yes, sir. And the mango beer, you know, ma? Lord Jesus, I better tell me when you grow so and see mango.
Yeah, a lot up there so too.
Lord gosh.
It's a pity I don't like it that much.
Oh,
They.
no.
Me and you don't like it, Master.
Me no like it stringing this, sir. If I did that one, you know, the black mango.
Which one you call? Oh, the common mango, but the skin black?
The green skin, I saw green skin, what you call it, black mango, black you call it.
Okay.
The green skin, you like a one day. What is that one?
You're not going to find that the mango here, some as Nevi, a pure common mango.
Yes, my pure one mango down there. What you see one tree down so? Well, tree down so when you pass it, but it always a maggot.
Don't tell me.
Right.
Oh, that's the one where. Oh, and I said them look different.
Yes, man, a different mango them there.
So that's that name Blackie?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
A dog, me no name Blackie.
It a one good mango, but they always have maggots too, you know.
It's loaded, man. It has a lot of mangoes on it.
No. Maybe, but I mean, one brother bunny cat too come when you see the what me no see no maggots in them.
Okay, it was the same one.
Mango man.
Me. Oh gosh.
You want?
In the night, you know, see what I want.
You want Mas Nevi to eat, my God.
Me no know when there. Eat mango, so me eat mango late.
And you see, if you reach to a certain age, you know, no life you can eat too much. I seen them, you know.
At that time, if you eat it.
If you're young and eat mango, man, then you put on pot. People say they turn on in pot. All of them have no cook, you know.
Yeah, and the kids them to climb mango tree.
But me I tell you, say boy, country place, when you go around so, all that thing they run this in the plum, it's in the plum there. Where that's when I see my baby when take one come, I eat one come here. Round so for kill you too. Yes, my round so.
Where you see I eat plum come here?
No, plum the
Apple?
apple, yes. It's a good thing for boil, to make juice.
Let me see where you're going to run them in here. I'll fry.
Yes, what they
Why?
You fry the garlic and the onion and the oil first.
Yes.
Okay.
Then me have a nice up mass and everything.
Yeah, man, I tell you.
Mas Nevi.
God. Tell you no man. I can't forget to no master. And I see one of my sister come and do that to me.
Oh.
Hey, brother, I go come do it, man.
Mas Nevi, I get one quick lunch today.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. I say, but I later, I say, no, we never cook later, you know.
So you're going to eat the fritters?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
If I could what the fritters do, much trouble me, but you know, tell me food on the bone up here, man.
Okay, you can't tell when it's ready.
Yes, ma'am.
So your birthday lunch and sit me, you know.
Yes, man. Yeah, man.
If I'm birthday lunch, you have to save some for tomorrow. Tomorrow birthday.
Save some for later.
Overnight.
Pre-birthday lunch. Just one liquor. Can't drop it.
Alright, man. So we are going with the pot here. So you have to pour it out.
Pot liquor.
How much fritters that day? 3?
3 may I fry because it's liquor, isn't it?
You want a big pot, Mas Nevi?
Yes, well, that two me one, you know.
Well, that's true. Alright. Marcel, cook up a storm.
The burner now, I'm going to go dinner here, sir. I set a burner red.
Oh, wow. It's hot in here.
You put it on your using funny top, sir.
Now,
Yeah, man.
man.
I mean, man.
Ready for
And I first, I go to your hands too.
I played the gate, so I don't know how you eat out of my hand.
Hey, your hand it.
So guys, we paused the video for a little bit, so the fritters would have been in the pot for a little while. So you may be wondering, oh, it's ready so quick, but we actually did pause, you know, and rinse plate and all of that.
Yeah. Then I got eat 2 fried fritters, you know. You know, so I can serve it till tomorrow.
Yes, man.
So you're having first 3 and now for lunch.
Yeah.
Alright. Fritters coming up, Mas Nevi.
Yes, man.
It's everything hot, you know.
Yes, man. Thank you, man.
Remember me tell you they hot.
Yeah.
Just come out that aisle.
Right, yes, Mas Nevi, you like it?
Yes, man. Me like to after jumping, man.
No, sir.
I have the 50 amount time.
Yes.
You never like it, come here and say nothing.
Ma take it in, man.
Yes, man.
Yeah, taste it first.
If you have the amount of 50, you want to be balance idea.
Yeah, it fill you up.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Marcel. Oh, me saw you quiet, so.
You want to fry it dry on that?
No, sir. Make it no good.
Oh,
Alright.
not alright. Just right.
Well, man.
I think I'll get the dozen fritters out of that at all.
Well,
I pour in there now.
that's all right, man.
No, man, I fry out everything here.
Him have more in the plate to
Oh.
pour out.
Oh.
When it's cool, you're going to love it. Just, every time you pass, you take up one.
Well, man.
Right, you make myself walk up and down too much.
Man.
You ever go pass? Everything.
Take coffee.
I doesn't make me.
Huh?
Sorry, sir.
turn them now.
Just turn them. This is flat. If they pot the flat,
Oh, it's better.
the whole
A whole more. Well, you're going to find just have one little bit of butter leave. Yeah.
I cook flour almost 2.
You prepare to the fry.
Yeah, man.
So if you're enjoying fritters, you just want to cool drink a juice.
You know the lime.
Lime? No, sir.
Mix some sugar and water get it. So I drink.
No,
Water.
No, no drink.
You want sugar and water?
I know. So orange oil.
Sorry, Japan the tree down there.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, down there.
That's it.
Yes.
Then we're gonna mix some sugar and water and some orange, man. I want to tell. Cut you with there, daddy.
All right.
Yeah, right.
We're going to put the rest, man. Nevi have the plate.
You have this in there.
It's not the big one. Second set ready, Mas Nevi?
Yes, sir.
The final set now. All right. You get 3 more out of that, Marza.
4 maggot.
Yeah, put all 4 in once.
That's 4. I just look up.
Oh, okay. You just get 1 shot in 1 dozen fritters. You're good.
Yeah.
Let's see me till tomorrow.
Yeah. Ah,
Yeah.
my birthday. Birthday fritters. Let me
All I'm going to do is go get a drink.
get something for drink.
Yeah. Yes, babe.
You could make tea. Mas Nevi,
Mom?
you could make some tea.
Wait, Mom.
All right.
Like come drink tea now, Mom. I don't drink tea again till tomorrow morning again.
Okay. Finish now, Mas Nevi.
Yes, Mom. Thank you. Thank you very much, Mom.
Last set.
Come on.
You want to catch some more color?
We have little oil in there.
You know, put in the same way?
No, man, it will soak up the oil.
Oh.
See them in a basin so they can just cover up.
Yes, Mom. All
You
right.
finish with that plate you have?
Yes, Mom.
Oh, can cover it up. All right. All done in the kitchen.
Wash them, you know.
I'm not busy today at all.
We're not
Always busy.
we're busy,
Put it up on
man.
the top here.
Yes, sir.
Same place up there, son. I'm gonna wash up back in there now.
All right. Okay.
See your knife here.
Yes, sir.
You know, you must never always ask for a knife.
Can't do it.
Try again.
General. Wash up back my Nevi. Stop them.
Yep.
I was thinking I stop asking soap.
No, if I will lift it out there, so. Yeah, man.
So see, me wash up back
You
Sunday.
have full day work, yeah, so.
If I put them here, then I will just wash up.
Yes, sir.
I put back his soap, same place.
Yes, man. I see my house, yeah.
Yes.
And so we have some stuff where we did bring the rice and stuff.
Yeah.
Put back in the thing.
Yeah, I put in that this one.
Put in the. We did bring Mass Nevi some paint patch.
So,
That's it.
who can have patch?
Come on, Sniffy.
Yeah.
All of them are something I will bring. Come here, I have to cut them same way.
Yes, man, not no funny, man. Me get me cut, man.
We figure it out.
But me can cut me punch them.
Yeah, that's it. I hit my hand.
Yes, I hit to know you can do better. Can do better.
It's a big bean here.
Yes, sir. You to know, brother.
So a seasoning. Seasoning over that. Come on. Unlock it up.
It's a Ziploc bag here, so you have to open it.
That have seasoned meat and all things, you know.
Not good, you know. Let's see top up here so you hold.
Yeah.
So a mackerel where you can just pull up on the top.
Yeah.
And this is your coffee.
Yeah.
Alright.
That's it.
This is Philippine.
Yeah.
You say you have to tear it out. Pull it, you want to pull on make you see it?
Yeah.
Which part you Philippine?
I'm not feeling pain now.
So don't waste it.
You have to tear it out of the pack and take out the somewhere there in there and put it where pain there.
Oh.
They call it pain patch.
Oh. Put where the pain there.
Barrel will get it, you know.
Yes.
Alright. Alright, Mass Nevi.
Yes.
So time come now.
Yes, man. Thank you, God
Where
bless
take
you.
we leave?
Yes, sir.
Alright, everyone. Thanks so much for your kind support. This is where we end the video for today. Thanks for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love. Stay
Blessed
safe
love.
and bye-bye.
Yeah.
Blessed love, Master Papa Nevi.
Yes, sir.
I mean, how you feel?
I feel all right, man. Yes, man. Feel all right all the while, you know. Go. Sometimes when you take a pill, you know, me feel a little
Weird.
weird, like something I want. Me take it on Saturday morning and then I'm going to church me and sleep. Make you sleep, man.
Make you sleep.
Yeah. But you take tablet and you see make you sleep. A good thing.
I work it alright.
Yes, man. So you say them, you know, when you feel it pain, now you take out it.
Yeah.
What I think and put it on it.
And the area where.
You want to tear out one make you see it?
Yeah. For something, my back hurt me now.
Oh.
So you go on somebody if you put it on your back.
No, man, I can't put it on myself, man.
Hold on the Papa Neville. It kind of hard to open. So sometimes you might have to use a knife and cut it.
Yes, and I use cut them.
And if you use cut them, man.
No, I'll let me have.
I can feel it.
Me pull in and look here, hold it. Alright, you feel it?
Yeah.
So you have one little piece of paper thing you have to peel off it.
So all of your back you can put it too.
Yeah man, anywhere you want, anywhere you feel the pain.
Alright.
But wait now, so you have to go try pull it. Let me show you. You have to just feel the edge.
Yes, man. Up here so.
Okay, hold it. Hold this apart up here, so. Hold that. Yeah, hold that apart there. And hold the plastic outside now. No, yeah, hold it down there, so.
Oh, so this you tear off?
Yeah.
No, this you tear off?
Yeah.
I don't understand this. No, this you tear off, huh?
Yeah. And the part with the inside, the plastic I to put on it.
Yes. This you can't touch with this here.
Yes, the plastic.
So.
And the part you put on you.
I say you touch with this a good figure.
Yeah, man. So do it now, make it. Which part you put in your head?
No, sir.
Pull up. Can you pull up it? Which part are you back?
Me not, you know, pain me, you know. But you can put.
Pass
Right
it.
hand.
Turn up on your hand back.
Yes, sir. Ah, yes, sir. Right, yes, sir.
So you just put it on your back, so.
Aye.
You see a corner?
Yes. Yes, that's the most pain the feet. Right, yes, sir. Right.
Yeah, so
Yes.
at least I won't feel none there now.
Yes. I mean, get to cut them still up it.
Yeah.
Let me see if you did one.
Alright.
Where look for?
But this is what I tell you, sir.